So let's take a pretty movie. As you see on my YouTube channel, it's the dolphin.
Look at one of these and see what's on the No! No, we have to find Sahana! Does the paint wash off?
This paint on your face washes off. Can you close your eyes for a sec, sweetie? Oops, doesn't want to spray. Doesn't want to spray. What to do without it? The stuff on your arms is swimmy paint. So the stuff on your arms, if you want to get that off, you have to put liquid soap on it and rub it around, okay? Oh, I'm sorry. Here, it'll be quick. I'll make it so you can open your eyes here for a sec. You want to open your eyes for a second, honey?
It feels so hard.
Feels sticky? Let's put our sparkles, okay? Close eyes. Okay, sparkles on top. I don't know, I think this was too full. Okay, try again. Good girl.
It's coming.
Okay, baby. You softly close. As soon as your eyeshadow's on, honey, I'm gonna dry it, so just don't open. You feel like it's so wet, honey?
It's still. I think
it is still a little wet.
Can I open my eyes?
Yep, nice and slow.
It feels so much dry. Why is it so sticky?
No, it just is.
When is it not gonna get sticky?
What, dog? What,
When
darling?
is it not gonna get sticky?
When it's completely dry, it should feel like a powder at that point. ready to see yourself? So pretty. You look so beautiful. Here, let me see you, baby.